Now let's take the results of its work and send it to our inbox. We'll click the plus button after the AI agent node, select Action in an app, then search and select Gmail. You can see that there are a ton of actions that you can do within Gmail. We'll use the Send a Message action. Now we need to connect a Gmail account. If you're using n8n Cloud, the easiest way is to click Sign in with Google. But if you're self-hosting, that option won't be available. In that case, you'll need to connect your Google account using a method called OAuth2. Setting up OAuth2 takes a few extra steps and is outside the scope of this tutorial. However, I've added a link in the description that walks you through the process, including a helpful video from the official documentation. After you've connected your Google account, enter your own email address in the To field. This is where the daily briefing will be sent. We can set the subject dynamically based on the date of the briefing. We'll say Daily Briefing, then drag in the readable date variable from the schedule trigger outputs in the left panel. Next, drag the output variable from the AI agent step into the message field. Let's test this step by itself to see how the email looks with all the present data. We'll click Execute Step at the top right. Then we can open up our inbox to check out how it looks. Well, there it is. It's a message, but it's not very pretty.